Hi, in this video, I'll show you to enable or disable dark mode on your Android phone using two simple methods. Follow these quick steps to switch between light and dark mode in seconds. Method 1. Use the settings menu. The easiest way to enable or disable dark mode is through your phone's settings. Start by opening the settings app on your Android phone. Scroll down until you find display, then tap to open it. Inside the display menu, you'll see appearance options such as dark and light. Simply tap dark to enable dark mode across your system, or tap light to disable it and return to the standard bright theme. On some Android devices, you may also find a dark mode schedule option that lets you automatically switch between light and dark mode based on the time of day or sunset and sunrise. Method 2. Use quick settings. If you want a faster way to switch between modes, use the Quick Settings panel. Swipe down once from the top of your screen to open the notification shade. Swipe down again to fully expand the Quick Settings menu. Look for the Dark Mode tile, which usually displays a crescent moon or a half-dark circle icon. Tap it once to turn dark mode on, or tap it again to switch back to light mode. If you don't see the dark mode tile, tap the edit or pencil icon to customize your quick settings and add it. That's all there is to it. If this guide helped, don't forget to like, subscribe and check out our other Android tutorials for more useful tips.